What's up? What's up? Nick here from virtualassistantassistant.com, and this is my video review of handy.com, a not so virtual assistant service I used to book a house cleaner. Through the Handy website and app, you can book cleaners for your home or office, handy persons, people to assemble furniture for you, people to help with painting or moving, somebody to mount a TV, all sorts of these home-related projects and tasks. So what brought me to Handy in the first place was my wife really wanted to hire a cleaning service. This was the super romantic gift she wanted for Christmas. I was like, fine, I can be on board with that. Division of labor, spend your free time doing what you enjoy instead of scrubbing the shower, right? So what I found was that the cleaning service is really fragmented. And what I mean by that is there aren't many local, regional, or national brand name cleaning service. The market is, really dominated by these small crews without a great online presence, without a great or easy booking process. And as I was going down the Yelp rabbit hole of companies in my town, I was getting frustrated by, number one, the lack of transparent prices. Number two, everything was this call us for a quote type of stuff. I was like, I don't want to deal with it. And in contrast with Handy, I just punched in how many bedrooms I had, how many bathrooms I had, and it spit out a price, which I thought was reasonable. And they actually give you a pretty nice discount on your first booking, which if that is still available, I'll link up my referral link for that below this video. And the website said, hey, we can have a cleaner out the next day. So I was like, all right, let's try it out. Let's do this. She came, she brought all her own supplies, and she cleaned. And she was actually a really hard worker. Obviously, it's going to depend on who they match you up with, who you get. But in our case, I don't have anything really to compare to, but she was sweating. She was working hard. And I don't think I realized how dirty that shower was until I saw it when she was done with it. And when my wife saw it, it made the service even more worthwhile. All the communication, all the payment, and the tip for the cleaner, those are all done through the app. You can book a one-off job, or you can sign up for a recurring service like, hey, come back every couple of weeks because you know it's going to get dirty again. And there's a slight discount for those recurring plans. Handy appealed to me because it was so seamless. It was so easy to use. It took all the friction out of hiring a cleaning service. The drawback to that is you're probably paying a premium for that technology interface that other cleaning services simply don't have. There's that extra layer of overhead that you could probably save some money by dealing directly with the people doing the cleaning. So now that our household is on board with outsourcing this chore, maybe that's the next step for us. So what do you think? Have you used Handy? Let me know. Leave a comment below and let us know what your experience was like, or head over to virtualassistantassistant.com/handy to see what other Handy customers have to say. Cheers.